Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a frame loom. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need a frame loom, which is essentially a sturdy rectangular frame. Next, select your warp thread. This will form the foundation of your weaving. Then, choose your weft yarn, which creates the fabric itself. Finally, grab a tapestry needle or shuttle to help pass the weft through the warp. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's prepare your loom by warping it. Begin by tying one end of your warp thread to a corner notch on the loom. Then, wrap the thread around the top and bottom notches, moving across the loom. Keep the tension firm and consistent, but not overly tight, to prevent distortion. Each warp thread should be evenly spaced, creating a uniform grid. This foundation is crucial for a successful weaving project, so take your time with this step. With your loom warped, it's time to start weaving. The most common technique is plain weave. Pass your weft yarn over one warp thread, then under the next, alternating across the row. Push each row down gently with your fingers or a comb to keep the weave compact. When you need to change colors, simply tie the new yarn to the end of the old one with a small, secure knot. This basic motion forms the core of most frame loom projects. Congratulations, you've completed your weaving. Now, it's time to carefully remove your creation from the loom. Snip the warp threads at the top and bottom, leaving about 3 inches of extra length. Next, you'll need to secure these loose ends. You can tie them into small knots or weave them back into the fabric using your tapestry needle. Finally, trim any remaining excess threads to give your piece a clean, polished look. Enjoy your handmade textile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.